What's good, y'all? We back with it, but hold on. I think we got a package delivered today. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we back. Yes, sir. We got a quick Yeezy unboxing today, guys. I don't even know nothing about these Yeezys. I just know they came out on the app, on Adidas app, and they was just sitting. So I said, man, you know what? I kind of like them. I'm gonna go for them. This year, it's my first year actually getting some Yeezys. A good friend of mine acquired some slides for me, the Pures. Good looking on those. And then on Yeezy Day, I managed to hit on the red stripes. Oh! So now this is my third pair of Yeezys that we about to bust out here. Yeezy Boost 380s. See the 380 on the box. Now, with the slides, I got an 11. With the red stripes, I got a fucking 11 and a half. They didn't have none of them in these, so I got a 10 and a half. I read online somewhere they said that these are kind of truer to size, so it might not be too bad, but I don't know, because them red stripes, even that 11 and a half, bro, I'm not gonna hold you. Them bitches kind of snug. Them bitches kind of snuggy-wuggy on my toes, man. Let's take a look at these here. I don't know, man. This color just kind of stood out to me. I don't know why. I don't know what I'd wear with these. Let's see. These ain't bad, man. I don't really know what else to say about them. But these are not bad, yo. I don't know what I can wear with these. Obviously, some sweats and some simple shit. I really like these, yo. Matter of fact, we gotta try them on real quick. I wear a 10 and a half. Look how much bigger than my foot the shoe is. What the fuck? Let's see if we can get this sumbitch on, man. Okay. Hey, it's snug, but I be damned. It fits just like the red stripes, and they are full size bigger. Like my toe is literally right there at the front, but it's not like too tight. It's snug, but it's not like, ah, shit, my toes. He's pretty hard, man. Kind of glad I got him. Well, guys, that was a quick unboxing, a quick on-foot review of the Yeezy 380s. Missed. You know, I don't go in depth. I don't know nothing about shoes. I don't know nothing about anything that I might review that you might see. I just like what I like, man. But anyway, niggas gotta get to work. I got shit to do. So we gonna pack this shit up. And I'll see you guys when I see you.